Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make corn juice only ways. Start by selecting fresh sweet corn and shucking each ear, then cut kernels cleanly from the cob. Simmer kernels briefly with a little water to extract flavor, then blend until smooth and strain through a fine sieve. Sweeten lightly with honey or sugar, chill thoroughly, and serve over ice for a refreshing tropical-style drink. Garnish with lime if you like. Gather your ingredients: fresh sweet corn, water, a pinch of salt, and sweetener. Use a 4:1 water to corn ratio for a smooth mouthfeel and have a fine sieve ready. Keep a pitcher chilled so the corn juice cools fast after straining. Blend in short pulses to avoid heating, taste, and adjust sweetness, and finish with a squeeze of citrus for brightness before serving. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride while you sip corn juice. Check the description for the link and other deals on helpful kitchen extras. A fresh-smelling car pairs perfectly with a cool drink after cooking. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a pot with 1 cup water per ear to simmer kernels briefly. Do not boil hard. Transfer kernels and cooking liquid to a blender, pulse until fully pureed, and strain into a bowl. Press solids firmly to extract more juice, then chill the strained liquid for at least 30 minutes. If desired, fold in milk or coconut milk for creamier texture, or carbonate for a fizzy twist before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.